guys, in this video I want to be creating the C-pillar. We already have the cant rail, so we are still missing one surface, at least the continuation on this line of the roof and the cant rail to be more constant and don't have this acceleration right here. Just gonna use the stretch tool to create this line we have here is not properly movement, and just move it outwards so we get all the curvature on one side of the curve and we just get rid of that inflection just little by little. I'm creating first the 1-degree curve. Let's see if they look similar to the other curves on edge surface boundary. Here I'm gonna pick the